Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new brand video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix due to repeated failed attempts or other social activity. Your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. When you have login Snapchat from wrong password and then your Snapchat has been temporarily disabled, that you have against your Snapchat community guidelines strike. So how can fix this error? You have need watch this video. Firstly, go back home screen. So you go back home screen and go on your Google. If you have using iPhone, so go on your Safari and click on Google. After then open your Google and type on search bar. So you will type on search bar and search is Snapchat contact us. Snapchat contact us. So see search is Snapchat contact us. Here you see, please wait. Here you see first option Snapchat support. So just enter into the Snapchat support. Then scroll down and type on contact us. Tap on contact us. Here you see loading. Please wait and don't forget subscribe my channel. Here you see first option. I think my account was compromised. So just click on first option and wait and watch carefully. And so wait and scroll down. Here you see. I think my account was compromised. I cannot access my account. I think my account was compromised. Here you see first option username and type in your Snapchat username. Second box, enter into the email that you have accesses and that you have used your Snapchat account in Snapchat account. So enter your Gmail account. Enter your Gmail account and here you see mobile number. So just enter your mobile number with country code. Enter your mobile number with country code. Enter your mobile number with country code. You see description. You have facing this problem and you have cannot access your Snapchat account and you have facing this error due to repeated failed attempt or other usual activity. So describe your problems. You guys describe the same description has Snapchat team. I cannot access my account. I see an error message when I log in due to repeated failed login attempt or other unusual activity. Your access Snapchat has been temporarily disabled. Please recover my account as soon as possible. After then click on submit and you see firstly verify, click on bicycles. So tap on bicycles and again click on verify and your request has been submitted. Within 24 hours your account has been recovered. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching for my video.